So Croatian midfielder Luka Modric was voted the FIFA World Player of the Year to go with his European Player of the Year award. Modric winning these awards in and of itself is probably fully deserved. After all, he was instrumental in his country getting to the World Cup final, as well as his club team, Real Madrid, securing a third straight Champions League title. But here's my problem now. For neither the European Player of the Year award nor the FIFA World Player of the Year award, in a World Cup year, not even one player from the World Cup winning team was nominated, much less to win any of these awards. That don't make no sense to me. The nominees for both awards were the same Cristiano Ronaldo, Mohamed Salah, and Modric. And as me said, Modric won them both, and I can live with that. But don't tell me that the biggest event in the biggest sport, playing for and winning the most coveted prize in all of sport, and not even one player from that World Cup winning team could get on that short list. That means the World Cup done foolishness. Or these are not world awards. These are some club awards. Paul Pogba or Antoine Griezmann or Kylian Mbappe or Raphael Varane, who also won the Champions League with Real Madrid, all helped France to win the World Cup title and not even a nomination. That is why me personally don't believe in this award business, because all kind of fool and corrupt choices are made and presented to people who don't deserve them. I like titles that people play for and win. Nobody no vote or award you. You win your title. Yes. This award thing, like them sorry for you. Hold on. Like, you know, we take this.